Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, travel family, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be showing you around one of the most romantic restaurants in all of Mexico, Sunset Monalisa. As you can see, as you arrive here at Sunset Monalisa, you are greeted by valet parking. Just don't forget to tip your valet on the way out. And what makes Sunset Monalisa such a special restaurant are the amazing views it boasts, its fine dining focusing on Mediterranean cuisine, beautiful sunset ceremony, and perchance one of the most unique dining experiences you will have. So sit back and enjoy the tour here of Sunset Monalisa. And as we start off, you have a long walk into your seating. They offer two different options for seating at Sunset Monalisa. The first option we will be showing you is the standard seating. There is no fee to book these seats. You just simply go onto their Google website and book a reservation. However, they do offer a premium table seating as well, which we will also show you in this video. Both seating arrangements, whether the premium or non-premium, boast amazing views of Land's End, one of the most gorgeous sunsets, views of the ocean and the beach, and just an overall fantastic experience here at Sunset Monalisa.
Oh man, it's bringing back memories, yeah. Hola, buenas tardes.
As you can probably see, one of the things that makes Sunset Monalisa such a special dining experience is not only the views, but the fact that the tables are situated on a variety of levels across a cliff overlooking the Sea of Cortez. When making your reservation at Sunset Monalisa, we highly recommend doing a quick Google search of what time the sunset is when you are visiting. That way you can make your reservation for approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour before sunset, so you can enjoy the spectacular views in daylight, get all those amazing photos and videos that you want, as well as enjoy the beautiful sunset and night views of Cabo San Lucas and the Sea of Cortez. Sunset Monalisa truly does deliver on unparalleled views of Cabo San Lucas, a romantic atmosphere, and one would only imagine that an experience like this is only in the movies or perchance in a fairy tale. But this experience and the views that come along with it are within your grasp and are only one reservation away from becoming reality. This is why we highly recommend that the next time you come to Cabo, be sure to put this on your to-do list. Now that you have seen the standard seating area of Sunset Monalisa, we also want to show you the premium seating that is available. Here we are entering the restaurant from a more private entrance located at the side of the building. This leads you down to the lower levels of the premium dining area, as well as a bar where you can sit back and enjoy some drinks while taking in the sunset. The premium seating is just $25 per person due upon booking your reservation. However, if you do not want to pay for the premium seating, don't worry, because the standard dining option is an equally amazing experience as well, with the same menu as well as the same scenic views of the Sea of Cortez. However, we do recommend the premium seating if you are looking for an even more romantic experience that perchance you want to share with someone special, or perhaps celebrate a special birthday, an anniversary, or maybe even you're planning on proposing. Either way, your experience will be special, unique, and a memorable one. As we make our way down to the lower level of the restaurant, we are starting to get into the premium seating areas. The premium area offers pretty much the same views as the standard area, except you are closer to the cliff's edge, which provides even better views, more privacy, and a quieter dining experience. By now, you are probably starting to see the way that the restaurant is designed. It creates a truly unique dining experience that provides both privacy, intimacy, and a very calming and tranquil vibration that seems to seep deep into your soul. We have now arrived in the area that is designated 100% for premium seating only. As you can see, we are right at the cliff's edge, which gives you those scenic views without anyone in your sightline, and also provides a little bit more of a quiet atmosphere and an intimate dining experience. This menu, guys, is so amazing. So they have the drinks named and then they tell you everything in it. So it has Damiana, Amaro, coffee, espresso. Right? Then you have Pride. So it's got all of these liquors in it and different additives. We've got Sloth. Greed. Wrath. Envy. Lust. And yeah, and then they have a little heart on either side.
Okay. Yes.
Oh. Ah. Rosa.
Let me.
Wow. Have a sip, babe, for the camera.
So pretty. I don't want to drink it.
Have a sip.
Qué bonito.
Good?
This is the best drink that I had in my life. And this is the
Cheers, mate. Salud, mi amor. Now, cheers. Just a sip. Salud. You too, better.
As you can see, right before the sun completely sets behind Land's End, the sky transforms into a variety of vibrant colors resembling something straight out of a dream or a fairy tale.
Oh, gracias.
Gracias.
I can pull it closer.
Now that our food is starting to arrive, we wanted to break down the different dining options available here at Sunset Monalisa. There is an a la carte menu where menu prices are constantly fluctuating. However, it is strongly recommended to go with their 3-course or 5-course tasting menu. The 3-course is starting at $135 per person, and the 5-course at $165 per person. For each course, you get to choose from one of the options available on the menu, and today we will be showing you a variety of the options available here at Sunset Monalisa. Your dinner starts off with a complimentary order of freshly baked herb and cheese bread with a herb whipped butter to accompany it. I have to say, coming from an absolute bread lover, this was some of the tastiest freshly baked bread we have ever had.
Yes.
Hey, baby. Go take a piece.
Oh, this is so cute. Okay, travel family, we come to the end of today's video. But before we end, we just want to say thanks for watching and supporting the channel, and a special thanks to Sunset Monalisa. The staff were incredible, the food was delicious, and the experience is what dreams are made of. Lastly, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.